today? Did you sleep well?
I did, thanks. I went to bed early. Very unusual for me.
Nice. I'm happy to see you. Welcome back to the Easy English Friends channel.
What are we talking about today?
Today, let's talk about daily routines in English. Simple present, easy and useful.
Oh, perfect. People ask me every day, how do I talk about my day? I need this too.
Great. Let's start simple. I'll say my morning routine, then you try. Sound good?
Sounds good.
I usually wake up at 6:30. I get up at 6:40. I make coffee, I drink water, I check my phone for 2 minutes. Then I stretch.
Wow, very healthy. Okay, my turn. I wake up at 7:30. I get up at 8. I stare at the ceiling for 30 minutes.
Honest answer. Now, small coaching. I wake up at is present simple. It's a habit. Every day. Easy pattern.
I wake up at 7:30.
Good. Add a time word to make it clear. Usually, always, often, sometimes. Try one.
I usually wake up at 7:30.
Nice rhythm. Hear this? I usually wake up at 7:30. The strong beats help.
Right. Stress the important words. That sounds natural.
Exactly. Now questions. I ask you, what time do you wake up?
I answer, I usually wake up at 7:30.
Perfect. For he or she, the verb gets an S. She wakes up. Try it.
She wakes up at 6.
Good. Many learners forget the S. Tiny fix, in fast speech, the S is soft, like a quick hiss.
She wakes up.
Yes, just a quick sound. Now, after waking up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I make tea. I feed my goldfish.
You have a goldfish?
I do. His name is Captain Bubbles.
Wow, strong name. Okay, show a chain with then and after that.
I wake up at 7:30. Then I get up. After that, I brush my teeth. Then I make tea.
Nice. Small tip, keep sentences short. It's clear and friendly.
Short is easier for the brain.
Exactly. Now, a mini practice. Listeners, echo after me. I get up. Ready?
I get up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I make coffee.
I make coffee.
Great. Let's add usually, often, sometimes. Your turn.
I often make tea. I sometimes check my phone. I usually eat toast.
Perfect. Now, a quick pronunciation tip. Link sounds. Say, get up. It sounds like get up. Try it smoothly.
I get up at 8.
Nice link. Also, make coffee. It flows.
I make coffee in the morning.
Sounds natural. Now, why does this matter? Because you use these lines everywhere. In class, at work, on a first day, in a taxi, on a plane.
True. People ask, what do you do every day? Or what's your daily routine?
Exactly. Let's do a real-life mini chat. I'm your new coworker.
Okay.
Hey, Ben, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m. I take the bus. I arrive at 8:55. I like to be early.
Nice. What do you do at work?
I answer emails. I help customers. I make reports. I drink too much coffee.
Very real. That's present simple for routines. Easy pattern. Subject plus base verb. For he, she, it, add S. Like he starts work at 9.
He starts. She starts. It starts.
Exactly. Now, common mistake. I am wake up at 7. That's not right. Say, I wake up at 7.
Right. I am is not for routine verbs. We use am with adjectives or jobs. I am happy. I am a teacher.
Perfect. Another mistake. She don't go. The fix is she doesn't go. Try a negative sentence.
I don't drink soda in the morning.
Great. Now for he, she.
She doesn't drink soda in the morning.
Excellent. Hear that? The S is on doesn't, not on drink. That keeps it simple.
Good to remember.
Let's build a mini story. Morning chaos. Ready?
Ready.
Ben wakes up late. He looks at the clock. Oh no, it's 8:45. He jumps out of bed. He runs to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth very fast. He can't find his socks.
Haha, that's me.
He grabs a banana. He doesn't make coffee today. He doesn't have time. He takes a taxi. He arrives at 9 on the dot. He breathes. He smiles. He's okay.
Nice. That story uses present simple for a routine day, even a crazy routine.
Yes. Now your turn. Make a calm morning story.
Emma wakes up early. She sits up and smiles. She drinks water. She stretches her back and arms. She makes coffee. She reads for 5 minutes. She writes one line in her journal. Then she starts her day.
Wow, I want that life. Lovely rhythm. Simple verbs, strong order.
Thanks. I like the journal line.
Me too. Now talk about travel to work or school. How do you go?
I usually walk. It takes 15 minutes. I enjoy fresh air.
Good. Listeners, echo. I take the bus.
I take the bus.
I drive to work.
I drive to work.
I ride my bike.
I ride my bike.
Great. Add time words. In the morning, at night, on weekdays. Try one.
I ride my bike in the morning on weekdays.
Nice. Another quick tip, sentence music. Go up at the end of yes/no questions. Do you ride your bike?
Do you ride your bike?
Perfect. And for WH questions, voice down at the end. What time do you ride?
What time do you ride?
Smooth. Now, lunchtime. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I eat a sandwich. On Fridays, I eat noodles.
Good variety. Add reasons with because.
I eat rice because it gives me energy. I eat noodles on Friday because they make me happy.
I love that reason. Reasons help the story feel real.
What about you, Emma?
I usually eat salad and soup because it's quick. I drink a lot of water because my brain needs it.
Smart plan.
Now work tasks. Use present simple for duties. I teach. I plan lessons. I record videos. I answer comments.
I design posters. I call clients. I write notes. I check numbers.
Excellent. Let's fix a common error. He don't write notes. The fix?
He doesn't write notes.
Yes. For questions, use do or does. Ask me 3 questions.
Do you cook dinner at home?
I do. I cook most nights.
Does your brother help you?
He does sometimes. He cuts vegetables.
Do you eat late?
I don't. I eat at 7.
Nice.
Now evening routine. I finish work at 5. I go to the gym on Mondays and Wednesdays. I read or watch a show. I call my mom.
I finish at 6. I play guitar for 20 minutes. I cook pasta. I watch videos. I go to bed at 11.
Sounds cozy. Add usually, often, hardly ever, and never.
I usually cook pasta. I often play guitar. I hardly ever eat dessert. I never go to bed before 10.
Great range. Hardly ever means almost never. Soft but useful.
Right. And never is 0.
Exactly. Quick micro practice for everyone. I say a word, you add it to a sentence. Ready?
Ready.
Usually.
I usually read at night.
Sometimes.
I sometimes call my friend after dinner.
Never.
I never drink coffee at night.
Perfect. Now rhythm and linking. Try I never drink. Smooth and quick.
I never drink coffee at night.
Nice. Try I often watch.
I often watch a show after dinner.
Sounds natural. Okay, let's talk about weekends with present simple. It's still a habit if it happens almost every weekend.
True. I usually sleep in on Saturday. I meet my friend for lunch. We walk in the park.
Good. Add one funny detail.
I feed ducks. They chase me.
Brave ducks. My weekend, I clean my apartment. I visit my parents. We cook together. We laugh a lot because my dad tells jokes.
That's sweet.
Now, small contrast. Present simple versus now. If it's happening right now, use the ing form. I am cooking now. But for routine, present simple. I cook on weekdays.
So I'm watching a video now, but I watch videos at night.
Exactly. Many learners mix them. Don't worry, gentle practice fixes it.
Quick repair time?
Yes, you say the incorrect sentence, I help. Go.
I am eat dinner at 6.
I eat dinner at 6.
She don't go to the gym.
She doesn't go to the gym.
He study English every day.
He studies English every day.
I watches TV after work.
I watch TV after work.
That feels better.
It does. Remember the third person S and the Y to IES change, like study to studies.
Got it.
Personalize time. Then say 3 true lines about your day with times.
I wake up at 7:30. I start work at 9. I go to bed at 11.
Great. Add one reason.
I go to bed at 11 because I read.
Love it. Now friends at a cafe. Mini scene.
Let's do it.
Hey, Ben. Do you come here every day?
I do. I like the coffee here. I sit near the window because the light is nice.
What do you order?
I usually order a latte. I sometimes order tea when it's hot.
Do you eat breakfast here?
I eat a croissant on Fridays, a small treat.
Cute habit. See? Easy present simple in real life.
Very natural, and it feels friendly.
Now, let's try a home scene. You ask me about my evening.
What do you do after work?
I walk home. I change clothes. I start dinner. I listen to music while I cook.
Do you eat alone?
Sometimes, but I often eat with my neighbor. We share food because it's fun.
Nice community.
Okay, closing practice. I'll say a pattern, you make a line. Pattern. I usually, verb, time.
I usually study English at night.
Pattern. I don't, verb, time.
I don't check my phone after 10.
Pattern. Does person, verb, time.
Does your sister call you on Sundays?
Great. Now, a tiny pronunciation note. Drop little sounds to keep flow. I don't know can sound like I know, but keep it clear, not too fast.
Right. Clear over cool.
Exactly. Finally, quick recap. Present simple is for habits and routines. Use do does for questions. Don't doesn't for negatives. Add time words. Keep sentences short.
Add reasons with because. Add order words. First, then, after that.
Yes. And remember third person S. He works. She studies. It rains.
Got it. This is simple and powerful.
Listeners, say 2 lines about your day. Ready?
I wake up at...
Nice. And one more. I usually...
Perfect. You did it.
I love when practice feels like real life.
Same. And I love Captain Bubbles. He's the star now. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Give him a tiny wave from us.
He waves every morning. It's his routine.
Of course. Before we go, do you have one favorite line today?
I usually wake up at.
It starts the story and opens the door. Mine is, I don't. It helps me set healthy rules, like, I don't look at my phone before breakfast.
Strong boundary. I need that.
We all do. Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Use these lines today, at work, in class, with a friend. Keep it short, keep it clear, smile.
And tell us your routine in the comments. 2 or 3 lines is perfect.
You've got this. See you next time on Easy English, friends.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And a tiny shout for the format inspiration.